Hey guys, today we'll be making stir fry vermicelli noodles. First you add oil, then garlic, then stir it till golden brown, then burn it, stirring till it gets golden brown. Okay, after it gets golden brown, you put any kind of meat in it. You put pork, you put chicken, you put beef, but I'm putting down chicken. So after that, you break them up and keep stirring till it gets cooked. Okay, after the meat is cooked, add some black peppers. Sprinkle it. And crabfish sauce if you have any. Use any type of fish sauce. Just drizzle it a little bit. And then stir it. After that, you add this sweet chili sauce. I'm not going to be putting sugar, so I'm just going to add just a little bit. This is sweet. It's not going to be spicy. This sweet chili sauce. Then add a little bit of black soy sauce. And stir it. Add a little bit of sesame oil. Just drizzle. And keep stirring. Make sure all the flavors goes in together. As you can see, I've used half of the cabbage. I didn't want to use the whole thing, so that's enough, half of it. Okay, the meat's cooked, so throw in the veggies. You could put any kind of veggies you want in the egg. You could put Chinese broccoli. Then I put cabbage. Keep stirring it. Usually cover it. Let it cook. See the vegetable. Good enough. Add in your vermicelli noodles. And stir it. Mix it together. I'm going to add oyster sauce now. In the oyster sauce. And then mix it. Low down the fire. The fire's too high. Just mix it around. I only have one hand, so I'm mixing it one hand. Almost done mixing it. Then, oh, it's good now. Done. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot one more thing. To add cilantro. Now it's done. Bye bye.